Hi, I'm Katie Kemper with Sly Fox Fabrics, and we're here today to do our new live fabric reveal. So I'll just chat for a few minutes until people start to hop on, and hopefully I'm on the right channel.
You are.
Let's see here. So, still summer outside for a little while longer. People, I'm sure, are very busy today, swimming and getting in all their summer duties. Let's see here. Okay, so you can see we have bundles today, of course. We have new brush polys, and we have a Sly Buy. And of course, we have the reveal giveaway, so we give away 1 yard of everything that is a new stocking fabric. Let's see, what else can we chat about? Mary Beth says, I don't know. We can talk about women problems. Do you want to talk about women problems? I feel like my boobs are a couple of pancakes in a Jell-O bra today. Just going to throw that out there. Having bra problems. This is a new development in my life. One day my bra fits, the next day it doesn't. It's a lot of fun.
You can tell them about your shirt.
Oh, I made this shirt. This is because you know I get stuck on one pattern. This is the True Romance by Pattern Emporium, and I made it sleeveless, and I just cut the armholes a little lower. They probably need to be even lower, but I love it. This is the green modal jersey. You can see. So of course there's no sleeve option because there's no sleeves, but this is the banded top. And I love it. It's my favorite. I'm going to make a few more. I just haven't had time. Okay, so if everybody's boobs are okay today, I guess we'll go ahead and get started. Let's see here. Okay, so let's start out with our bundles. We have 4 new bundles. This first one is our new poly rayon spandex plaid that we came out with. I think it was last week. And it's red, white, and blue. It's like a soft denim and a soft red. So 2 yards of the poly rayon spandex and a yard of the coral double brush poly because it actually matches and they're really cute together. If you're not sure what poly rayon spandex is, don't worry because when the fabric listing goes up, there'll be a video about it. When you click on the bundle, there'll be a little video kind of explaining that. So that's nice. The next one is Tea Time in Navy. 2 yards of Tea Time in Navy and a yard of red solid brush poly. Very cute together. And if you're still sewing Americana themed stuff, this is a great set because obviously it's red, white, and blue. And so is the last one, actually.
It's true.
Our next one is, it's a sneak peek. It's a sneak buy. What do we call it? A sneaky fox buy. And this is Cherry's